guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time every day to step back at my channel. Okay, so today I am going to make the Diet Dr. bread. This is going to be the third time I tried this to record it, and so hopefully this time it works. So what you need is you need some almond flour, you will need some baking powder, you'll need some psyllium husk. I use the whole by now brand. You need 3 egg whites. And you need 1 cup of hot boiling water, which is over in the kettle getting started. And this is the simple ingredients. I mean, really, there's nothing to these breads. And also you will need a tray, and make sure that you use parchment paper, not wax paper. Okay, so let's get started making these rolls. Okay guys, so hopefully you can see everything that I am doing over here. Alright, so the first thing that we need is 1 1/4 cups of almond flour. I leave my almond flour in the refrigerator. So here's 1. There you go. The next thing is the psyllium husk. I use the whole, and you use 5 tablespoons of this. 5. Okay, so first off, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to do the baking powder next. And that is, it says 2 teaspoons of baking powder, but I only use 1 because Stefano doesn't like the taste of the baking powder. Sometimes it, I don't know. So I only use 1. I've never had a problem not using 2, so I use 1. The next thing that I am going to do is I'm going to take my eggs. I'm going to take my eggs and I'm going to put the whites in here. Okay, okay. All right. And the next thing I am going to add is there's 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to add that to this. So I shake mine up and I use the Bragg's. Use 2 teaspoons. This is a teaspoon. So now I mix them up. Okay, let that sit. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to get is my hot water. Okay, and 1 cup of hot water. The dry mixture, I mixed that together first. Get the lumps out of the almond flour because sometimes it's lumpy. Okay. Then I poured the apple cider vinegar and the egg mixture, egg whites, in here. Okay. And I have my oven preheating at 350. So now I'm going to put this in. Right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the hot water to the mixture. Okay, here's my tray. This is my tray. And I also grab a bowl of water. I have a bowl of water sitting right here. And what I do with the bowl of water is I use it to wet my hands because this is a little sticky mixture. So this is what I do for mine. I go in there and I like divide it while it's in the bowl. I divide it, and because this makes 6 rolls, but Stefano wants bigger rolls for a tuna sandwich. So I'm making bigger rolls. So what I'm going to do is just divide it into 4s. Okay? And see, it's a little sticky. So what you do is you roll up your sleeves, you stick your hands in the water and get them wet, and you take out a little scoop. Now this is warm because of the hot water, and I don't play with it that much. I just go get it and I do this. That is it. That is my 1 roll. Last one. Super simple to make. Okay, and that is it. That is your rolls. Now I know that they're not even. That's okay. Stefano will take the bigger ones and I will take the smaller ones. That's perfect for me. Okay, so then what I do here is I put water on the top of the bun, all around. And then I take my Everything Bagel seasoning, and then this is the one that we just got from Trader Joe's. It's everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend, and I just go across. Just go across it. And I like to coat them really well. Okay, now you can push them in if you like. I've never had a problem with them falling off, so I really don't push them in too hard. But that is that. So now they're going to go into the oven at 350, and they will bake for 55 minutes. Okay, and when we come back, you'll see them done. Okay guys, so this is how they look so far. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take them out and flip them over for the next, I think, 20 minutes it has left. But they look really good. See how nice they got? They got a little bit bigger. They got really nice. Okay, so that's all I did is I just flipped them over, and now they're going to cook the rest of the way. And they will be nice and crispy on the outside, but nice and soft and tender on the inside. Alright guys, that's the Diet Doctor rolls. And this, normally it makes 6 small rolls. So I just made 4 big ones. And that's it. Alright guys, I'll show you when they're all completed. Out of the oven now. They look really, really good. They're extremely hot. And these are the 2 bigger ones, and these are the 2 smaller ones. So these 2 will be for me, and Stefano will take these 2. But see, they're crusty on the outside, but they're still soft. So, yep. And I will show you a sandwich when I make a sandwich for Stefano, or if he makes one, he'll take a picture and then we'll show you. But yeah, these are the best. It's just like bread. You won't miss bread if you're on keto and you make these Diet Doctor rolls. You won't miss bread at all. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. And like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing. And together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.